Hey, Andy.
Alex.
Bighorn made Heartland famous. What's next?
Yeah, Bighorn's fun little brother, the Bighorn Traveler.
Can you show us?
Come on.
Sweet.
It's simple, folks. The 35BK stands for Big Kitchen. This one's so saucy we could film the second Ratatouille movie, only Aaron here serving up chicken nuggies and swaggeroni. We're bringing sexy back with the fan favorite walk-through bath. Lavatory on the right, shaving station on the left, sliding doors on both sides for privacy. After COVID-19, you can't be too clean, so there's a second washing station in the bedroom. Washer-dryer hookups in a mammoth closet next to a king bed with nightstands and a backlit headboard. Let's make our way out to the living space. Dinette on the left, bar on the right next to a dance floor living room for when you're ready to risk it all with the disco ball. If you've ever wondered what it was like to be Little Spoon with the Michelin Man, sit in one of these recliners. It's bananas. Soundbar is built into the third TV with Bluetooth that'll fill the room like tension at a family reunion, and there's wireless charging just a step away. Spend an evening in like Andy and AA Ron, or head outside, rain or shine, to the outdoor kitchen for when you're ready to hit them with the razzle-dazzle. The awning and pass-through storage have room enough for the audacity with another Bluetooth hookup so you can blare Fergalicious with pride. And for your convenience, a More Ride power cord reel.